Alrighty, we're going to try this setup. I have like a tripod to set this up so I don't have to hold it. I know it's a little bit further away, but hopefully you can see, and then I can use both hands because ayo, there they are. So we are on lesson 74, which starts on page 474. And so hopefully you have this open in your book so you can go along with it as I go over it here on the book. So our new information says there are 7 circles in the set below. 3 of the circles are shaded. The fraction of the set that is shaded is 3/7. So we have, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 circles altogether, and 1, 2, 3 are shaded. So very similar to when we just have a shape shaded. Now we're going with a set. And this says the total number of members in the set is the denominator. So denominator, remember we kind of talked about demons, it's on the bottom. So the total number, 7, goes on bottom of the fraction. The number of members named or shaded is the numerator, or the top number. So that's how that goes. Now, example 1, which I have everything kind of all set here for examples and lesson practice. So this says what fraction of the triangle is not shaded. So with these ones we have to be careful with if it asks what is shaded or what is not shaded. So I have it written out here. So let's count how many there all are all together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is our denominator, goes on the bottom. And it says how many are not shaded. So we're going to count the ones that are not shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are not shaded. So 5/9 are not shaded. Example 2 says in a class of 25 students, there are 12 girls and 13 boys. What fraction of the class is girls? So we know altogether we have 25. And it says how many are girls? We know there are 12 girls. So 12 25ths are girls. And that's how we do those problems. I'm going to do examples A, B, C, and D with you, or lesson A, B, C, and D. Sorry, lesson practice for A, B, C, and D. And I have them set up here. So this says what fraction of the set is shaded. So let's count how many there all are altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So altogether there are 12 circles. And this says what fraction of the set is shaded. So then we want to figure out how many are shaded. So we can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 out of 12 are shaded, or 5/12 are shaded. Now this one I wasn't going to draw. Let's see, what are they? 1, 2, 3, 6. What are they? Hexagons? Heptagons? Hexagons. So I just kind of drew weird squares. And this says what fraction of the set is not shaded. So let's count them all up first. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So 7 altogether. That goes on bottom. And this is what is not shaded. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 7 are not shaded. So 6/7 are not shaded on that. Lesson practice C says in a class of 27 students, there are 14 girls and 13 boys. What fraction of the class is boys? So we know altogether we have 27. And we know that there are 13 boys. And what is it asking for? How many are boys? So, oops. Sorry, you can't. Make sure you can see that. Yep. 13. Ugh, messed that up again. 13 out of 27 are boys. So 13/27 are boys. And last one, D, says, in the world Alabama, what fraction of the letters are A's? So let's just count and see how many letters there are all together. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters all together. And how many are A's? Let's count the A's. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 out of 7, or 4/7 of the letters in Alabama are A. So this is the new concept for today. Kind of a little bit of review with the shaded and not shaded, just in a different form. So let me know if you have any questions, and go ahead and watch for homework problems.